If you're still looking for the right place to get involved with Algorand governance, you need to check out Folks Finance's Liquid Governance Program. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get set up with Folks Finance and then get into a strategy on how to maximize your yield beyond what is normally offered in governance. This is Algo HQ. My name is Ibu Kurel, and let's get started. Folks Finance is a DeFi lending market running on Algorand. They've built a tool which allows you to participate in governance while unlocking the liquidity of your algo commitment. This is achieved through a derivative token called gALGO, which is issued as a one-to-one equivalent when you commit algo to liquid governance. You can use the gALGO around the ecosystem while your original algo stays in Folks Finance participating in governance. To begin using liquid governance, navigate to app.folks.finance in your browser and make sure pop-ups are enabled before you get started. Connect your wallet in the top right corner using either My Algo Wallet or Para Wallet. Then click on Algo Liquid Governance in the left side menu. Click Mint on the Liquid Governance page and specify how much algo you want to commit. I'm using 200. Click Continue, then Mint and sign with your wallet. Now I've successfully committed my algo and minted gALGO. This will be earning the governance yield plus 9.27% from Folks via the Aeneas Rewards program sponsored by the Algo Foundation. But I'm going to tell you about a strategy which can boost this APR even further. The first step is to swap your gALGO into algo using a DEX, and I'm going to be using PactFi because their liquidity of this pool is the deepest, and therefore the trade will be the safest. Once you've swapped the gALGO into algo, go back to Folks Finance and click on the deposit page. Click on algo, then determine how much algo you want to deposit and click Continue. Here, you might have to opt into FALGO, which is a derivative token given for algo deposits on the Folks Finance lending market. Opt in, then deposit, and then finish. After this, I'll have FALGO in my wallet. The final step of this strategy is to stake the FALGO. So navigate to Farm Deposit on the left side menu and click on FALGO. Finally, stake the FALGO in your wallet, which follows a similar process to what we've done before. So at this point, my algo will be working hard for me, earning that governance yield, which is usually around 10 to 15%, plus the Aeneas boost, which is around 9.25%, plus the FALGO staking, which is around 8.5%. If you total that all up, it'll land somewhere around 30% APR, which means you will earn around 7.5% in 1 quarter. The great thing about this strategy is that it requires no leverage, so you cannot get liquidated, and you can do it from a single wallet with any amount of algo. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in trying Folks Finance, use my referral link, which will be in the comments. It will help the channel, and I'd super appreciate it. Till next time, see ya.